Hello friend, as you know, every user in Linux machine has a unique ID, user ID, which is also known as UID. So for example, you can see here in this file, you can see for Satish user, the UID or user ID is 500. John user 501. For Vijay user, it is 502. For Ukraine, it is 503. For hacker user, it is 504. For network user, it is 505. But if you want to create a user in Linux with a custom user ID or with a specific user ID, you can do that using this below command. Suppose user add. I want to create a user Tiwary with a custom UID. So I will just use user ID hyphen u. Okay. And then you means user ID. I can give any user ID, suppose a triple eight. I have given triple eight for the user Tiwary. So this command will create a user Tiwary with a custom ID triple eight. You can see this or you can verify this using command cat etc passwd. See the last line. You can see Tiwary and then you can see triple eight. Okay, and done. In this way, you can simply create any user with any custom directory. Thank you. Thank you for watching.